Hey, welcome to my workshop. This is my first YouTube video, and pretty much what we're going to be doing is looking at restoring this moped. We'll go step by step and see what challenges kind of crop up, and see whether we can get it running and looking decent again. Yeah, as you can see, it's not really a workshop, it's a room in my basement, but yeah, we'll slowly build that up as well. Hopefully get a bit more tools and a bit more light in here, and maybe make it a bit warmer. It's a bit cold, the window doesn't close. Yeah, that's it. We're going to start with taking off the tank and taking out the carburetor, and we'll clean those two up, put it back together, and then see where it'll start up. And that should then give us a better idea of what else needs to be done, and then theoretically take it all apart, repaint it, and clean up some of the chrome, like the wheels and handlebars and that type of thing, and yeah, see if we can get it looking nice, and hopefully a nice little toy for the summer when it eventually arrives. Doesn't feel like it's ever going to arrive at the moment, it's bloody cold, but yeah, that's it. Oh, looks quite easy. We've got two bolts. Those are off. Maybe not so easy. And now for the carburetor. I've already loosened the clinch bolt, holding it onto the manifold. Now I'm just going to take off the top of the slide to get the cable to come out. There we go. Right, so I've taken the carb apart. It looks really good. I turn this over. That is the filter. Looks brand new. Not very dirty at all. The guy that I got it from did say that he'd cleaned the tank and stripped the carb, and then try to get it started last summer sometime. But he said it didn't run very well. So I'm glad to see the carb looks really good. It looks really nice and clean. It's really oily. My hands are quite oily. So that's a good sign. The reason why it didn't start probably would be because of this. That was the fuel in the tank. And there's nothing coming out of the pepcock. So that would say to me that it's probably blocked, but I also don't have a spanner to take the petcock off with. So we'll have to wait a day or two until I can get a spanner before we can carry on. But so far so good. I also took the spark plug out just to have a look what was going on there. And yeah, it also looks pretty good. It's very oily, and the oil doesn't smell like two-stroke oil. It smells like old engine oil. So chances are we'll have to somehow drain the oil, take it all apart and see what's going on there. But I think first we'll just get it started, and then we'll see from there. But yeah, so far, thumbs up.